Now we have gone through the formula 360 degree plus theta. Now 360 degree plus theta means how much we have to add it. Okay. So for the good results, for the better results, now we are dealing T ratio of n times 360 plus minus theta. Okay. So let's go for first part for n times 360 plus theta. Now just look here, we are having a graph, or you can say quadrants. Now from starting from 0 and coming back up to here, this covers 360 degree. Is it clear? Now again we can give one more, again it becomes 360 here. So like this, whenever it is covering first quadrant, second, third and fourth, it means 360 degree has been done it. Okay. So what we can write it now for n times 360 plus theta. Now we can write it the revolving line means what? The line which makes an angle. Now the revolving line will occupy the same place, the revolving line here for 360 degree n times 360 degree plus theta, okay, will occupy the same place or position which it would have occupied for theta. Okay. Now value of theta for the angle n times 360 degree plus theta, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, it can be any, will be the same as theta. Now here what we have written? We have written that the revolving line will occupy the same position which it would have occupied for theta. Same. Now numerically I have written the value of theta. Now this finds the value. The value of theta for the angle n times 360 plus theta, where n is 1, 2, 3, any of the numeric value will be the same as for theta. Now for example, suppose we are having sine 750 degree. Now for sine 750 degree, what we can write it? We can write it sine 2 times 360, because 2 times 360 makes 720. So 2 times 360 is 720 and 720 plus 30 is 750. Okay. So this becomes what? This becomes sine 30 degree. Okay. 2 times 360 means a line has starting from here complete one cycle, that is 360. Again completed again one cycle, 720. Now after 720 it will fall in the first quadrant, so result will be positive. So we can write it sine 750 degree is equal to sine 30 degree. Is it clear? Now sorry, for n times 360 degree negative of theta. Now what here we are going? Now the revolving line here, revolving line will occupy the same position which it would have occupied through an angle negative of theta. Here it will be for the negative of theta, here it was for positive theta, okay. Would have occupied for theta, for an angle theta, okay. You can write it where theta is what? Theta is angle, and same I have written there through an angle of negative of theta, okay. Now value of T ratio for the angle n times 360 degree negative of theta. Now here I have value of theta, it is one and the same thing. Theta means what? T ratio for the angle, okay. I have directly mentioned angle there, you can write that also, you can write this also, okay. So value of T ratio for the angle n times 360 degree minus theta, where n is 1, 2, 3 will be the same as those of negative of theta, okay. Now let us go for an example. Now example, suppose we are having now sine 1050 degree, we have to find value for sine 1050, okay. So now to this can we write it sine 1080 negative of 30, this becomes 1050. Now why I have written 1080? Because sine 3 times 360 degree, that is 1080, okay, negative of 30. Now this becomes negative of sine 30 degree, okay. So we can write it now sine 1050 degree is equal to negative of sine 30 degree, result will be same. Why negative? Because now this will go in the fourth quadrant, okay. So this is all about n times 360 degree plus minus theta.